Hello, I'm an intern working with SparkY, a nonprofit focused on STEM and sustainability education. Today in this video, we're here to show you how to fillet a tilapia, a popular choice for an aquaponics system. You might ask, why fillet your own fish? There are various reasons, including it's cheaper, ensures a fresher fish, and lets you get more value out of your fish, for example, using the fish bones for making fish broth. This is the tilapia we're going to be filleting today. And the knife that we're going to be using today is called a fillet knife, used for, you guessed it, filleting the fish. Please be sure that your fillet knife is nice and sharp before you start. This allows for ease of use and so that you don't cut yourself. And these gloves here are cut resistant and help us get a better hold on the slimy tilapia. Because the tilapia has scales, we're going to have to use a descaler. Descalers comes in many shapes and sizes, but this one is the descaler that we're going to be using. Some fish don't have scales, but the majority of them do, and tilapia is one of them. And now, time to fillet the fish. So cut under the pectoral fin, which is right beside the gills. Make a cut. And now go to the dorsal fin and keep your knife as flat as possible and just cut along. Make sure to not cut into the ribs, and once you feel that there's an opening, you make sure your knife goes to the other side and pull it towards the tail. And then, once you're done with that, go back to the ribs and cut around it. And that's your fillet on one side. Now, because this is a tilapia, we're gonna have to remove the pin bone. So you generally want to feel around the middle part of the fish, which is right here, and feel for the pin bone. And then, once you find the pin bone, you make a V incision around the pin bone so that we can pull it out. Here's the pin bone, and just check it for a little bit more just in case you miss out on any. And we're done with one side. Now let's flip to the other side and repeat what we just did. Cut under the pectoral fin and then make a cut along the dorsal fin, making sure your knife is flat. And then once you feel an opening, put your knife all the way to the other side and pull it out. And go back to the ribs and just cut around it. And now search for the pin bone and then make a V incision around it. And then just pull it out. There you go. And here we have two beautiful tilapia fillets. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you now feel comfortable to begin filleting your own fish.
Hi, my name is Kieran Smith, and I'm an Aquaculture Extension Associate with Minnesota Sea Grant. As you may know, fish can either be harvested from the wild or produced in an aquaculture setting. You may have heard the term aquaculture before, but wondered, what does aquaculture actually mean? At its most basic form, aquaculture is just farming in water. This can be either with freshwater or saltwater, and in the form of fish like tilapia or salmon, or other aquatic species like oysters, shrimp, clams, or even seaweeds like kelp. This wide range of species can be grown in many different types of aquaculture farming systems, such as ponds, raceways, open net pens, or in recirculating aquaculture systems, or RAS, like the system behind me here. RAS systems are great because, as the name suggests, the water is recirculated over and over and over again, which reduces water usage and our impact on the environment. In our recirculating system, we're growing yellow perch, a species native to the Great Lakes region, which is very nutritious and delicious. Local production of aquaculture species like these perch also helps reduce the need to import fish from around the world, reducing our greenhouse gas emissions and our impact on the planet. When done sustainably, aquaculture helps provide healthy food to people all around the world. It can also reduce the need for wild-caught fish, allowing overfished populations of commercially important species to recover, ensuring their survival long into the future.